I've come across numerous videos discussing this trending niche, but the problem is, many of them are making the videos without adhering to YouTube's proper guidelines. No matter how viral your niche is, if you don't do it right, monetization won't happen. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly dive into this niche as a beginner. So if you're serious about earning money with this niche, follow these exact steps without skipping anything. The niche I'm talking about is the creepy horror stories niche. It's going viral because these stories are intriguing and the animation style is really unique. Plus, it's an evergreen niche, so it's a great option, especially for YouTube newbies. Enough talking, let's dive in. First, you'll need an older Gmail account to create your channel. If you don't have one, simply create a new Gmail account and spend at least 14 days warming up the channel. This is important to avoid any potential shadow banning on YouTube. Once you create the channel, the next step is picking a name. Choose a name that resonates with the niche. Here are some example name ideas that I came up with using ChatGPT. You can generate these yourself. Afterward, create a short description for your channel, making sure to include keywords related to this niche. This is crucial for SEO because the YouTube algorithm doesn't yet have enough data to understand your channel. After that, head over to YouTube Studio, go to the channel settings, and make sure to select your country. Then add channel tags, which are essentially the keywords associated with your niche. Here are some examples of keywords I would use for this niche. Once your channel setup is complete, go to the feature eligibility section and make sure to verify your mobile number before you upload any content. Once that's all set, your channel optimization is done, and you're ready to create content. Now, our main goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the next 2 months. The best way to gain subscribers quickly is by uploading short videos. If you can upload at least one short video every day, you'll hit this target in no time. But if you want to earn real money, you'll need to focus on long-form videos too. For these, try to make videos that are at least 8 minutes long. I'll first show you how to create short videos, and then I'll walk you through making longer, monetizable videos. Don't worry, it's super easy. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe if you want to discover more ways to save time and grow your YouTube channel with AI. For creating short videos, I personally use ChatGPT. They've recently added a template specifically for this niche. We're using short videos to attract subscribers, so it's okay to rely on automation AI tools for these. This way, you can spend more time focusing on your long videos. Let's pick a template for the short video. ChatGPT offers a creepy cartoon-style template which fits perfectly with the theme. I've asked ChatGPT to generate a few video topic ideas for these creepy stories, and here's one that stood out: the sewer children incident. Let me show you how to turn this into a short video. I'll copy the topic, and since I don't have a full script, I'll use ChatGPT's script generation option. I'll paste the topic, set the video duration to 1 minute, and let ChatGPT generate the script for me. Once the script is ready, I'll select the dark cartoon template, pick an AI voice actor. I'd recommend a deep voice for that eerie vibe, and click the Generate Scene button. This will create all the scenes based on the script. It should only take a couple of minutes. Once the scenes are generated, you'll see the dark, creepy animation that fits the story perfectly. If you don't like any of the scenes, you can easily regenerate them. Next, select creepy background music from the library and choose a subtitle style. I prefer a yellow text template. Once everything looks good, hit the render button and export your final video. Here's a snippet of the video, and that's how you can quickly create a short video for this niche using ChatGPT. You can easily upload one per day and start attracting subscribers. You can find the link to ChatGPT in the description. Now, let's talk about creating longer videos. For long-form content, we need more detailed and intriguing topics. One of my favorite topics is the toxic lady, Gloria Ramirez. To create a script for this, I'll again use ChatGPT, but remember, it's important to reword the script. Don't copy-paste it. Take the script, read it, and make it your own. Once you've done that, you can use 11 Labs to convert your script into a voiceover. It's simple. Just select a deep, eerie voice for the narration. Afterward, you'll need some creepy, dark cartoon-style visuals to match the tone. For this, I use Google Nano Banana. The process is the same as before. Input a prompt, describe the scene, and let the AI generate the images. Once all your visuals are created, you can use any video editing tool like VO3 AI to combine these images into a video. Add in some real images related to the story, maybe a few screen recordings to make it feel more authentic. Next, you'll want to add creepy background music. You can find copyright-free tracks on the YouTube audio library. When all your scenes are put together, add horror effects using a video editor like CapCut to make it more atmospheric. Finally, you'll need to add captions for accessibility. Use the text feature and auto-generate the captions. Choose a fitting font and add some spooky text effects. After that, just upload the video and you're good to go. That's it. Now you know how to easily create both short and long-form videos for the creepy horror story niche. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I wish you the best of luck and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to take your YouTube channel to the next level with AI tools, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. You won't want to miss what's coming next.